Welcome back to NG Auto Review. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Peugeot 504, a car that's making waves with its bold return. Let's get straight into it. First impressions, the exterior design is absolutely stunning. Peugeot has done a fantastic job blending classic heritage with a modern twist. The front fascia is aggressive, featuring Peugeot's signature claw-shaped LED headlights and a sharp, wide grille that gives the car a confident presence on the road. The body lines are smooth yet muscular, flowing beautifully from the front to the rear, where sleek taillights and a subtle spoiler add a sporty touch. The proportions feel perfectly balanced, giving the 504 a strong stance without being overly bulky. Whether you see it cruising in the city or parked in your driveway, this car will definitely grab attention. When it comes to performance, Peugeot has made sure the 504 isn't just about looks. Under the hood, it comes with a choice of a turbocharged 2.0-liter petrol engine or a fully electric variant. The petrol version pushes out around 210 horsepower, offering smooth acceleration and responsive handling, especially around corners. The electric model is even more impressive with instant torque delivery and a solid range of around 400 kilometers on a full charge. The suspension is well tuned, providing a comfortable ride while still feeling connected to the road. Whether you're on city streets or open highways, the 504 delivers a balanced and enjoyable driving experience. Inside, Peugeot continues to impress. The cabin is spacious and beautifully designed, with high-quality materials and Peugeot's signature iCockpit layout. The compact steering wheel, digital driver display, and a large central touchscreen create a modern, driver-focused feel. The seats are comfortable, supportive, and come with premium stitching that adds to the luxury vibe. There's plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a practical choice for families or longer drives. Tech-wise, you get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, and a full suite of safety features. As for pricing, Peugeot has positioned the 504 competitively. The petrol model starts around $32,000, while the electric variant comes in at approximately $39,000. Considering the design, performance, and technology you're getting, it feels like excellent value. That's it for today's review on NG Auto Review. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.